ChargePoint announces availability of NACS charging solutions. ChargePoint announced today the availability of NACS charging connector options for new orders, as well as for currently installed chargers CP6000, CPE250, and Express Plus. Let's recall that the company said earlier this month that it soon will offer NACS-compatible DC and AC charging solutions in North America. In an email from ChargePoint, we got confirmation that NACS-compatible equipment AC and DC is available for pre-order immediately, while production will start later this year. That's pretty quick, but not that surprising, considering that ChargePoint started developing its NACS charging solutions in early 2022, which was months before Tesla publicly announced the opening of the North American charging standard NACS charging connector in November 2022. Well, now the company is open for orders and presents photos of a NACS-compatible DC fast charger, a dual-head unit with a CCS1 plug and NACS plug, connected to a Tesla. A green light on the vehicle indicates charging, so we assume it's a working prototype demo unit. One of the most positive things is that the existing AC charging points say J1772, as well as DC chargers CCS1 CHAdeMO, will get a NACS reconfiguration option. We will try to ask about the cost of such an operation, so stay tuned for updates. Specifically designed to lower the cost of repair and maintenance, most ChargePoint charging stations offer cable modularity, enabling existing site hosts to replace, repair, or exchange charging cables and connectors, including NACS connectors as needed. According to the press release, some products will be ready in 2023 and some in early 2024. ChargePoint SDC line of products, the Express 250 and Express Plus, along with ChargePoint's home-based AC line of products, the CPF50 and award-winning Home Flex, will be sold or can be reconfigured with NACS connector options later this year. Similarly, ChargePoint's newest commercial and light fleet product, the CP6000, will be sold or can be reconfigured with NACS connector options in early 2024. ChargePoint DC fast charger with Tesla's NACS plug. ChargePoint NACS compatible plug. Additionally, ChargePoint included filters for NACS, J1772, CCS and CHAdeMO connectors in its app, so customers will be able to easily find charging points compatible with their vehicle. Bill Lawinthal, Chief Product Officer at ChargePoint, said, ChargePoint's 15-year history as a leader in the EV revolution has prepared us for evolving market dynamics, as well as enabled us to predict customer and driver needs. Our highly modular charging platforms, combined with our new NACS connector options, allow customers to be confident that their investment in EV charging is successful for any connector scenario. We remain committed to developing network charging solutions that ensure any EV can charge in any parking space. Source: reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at Inside EVS.